Let's see how much you remember. Which V8 came standard in the 1970 Charger with a 3-speed manual transmission? 225, 318, or 340? If you think you know the answer, stay tuned until after the break, and we'll see how you did. Welcome back, y'all. Let's see how many of you got this one right. Which V8 came standard in the 1970 Charger with a 3-speed manual transmission? If you said 225 or 340, go join the rest of the idiots. The correct answer is 318. Any Dodge fan would know the 225 is a slant 6 and not a V8, and the 340 was never available in the 1970 Dodge Charger. In addition, leather and vinyl buckets come with the SE package, choice of 4 colors. That's a trigger grip with Hurst linkage mounted to that 4-speed manual transmission, and that reverse light on the dash warns you of accidental backups in case you're a dumb driver. The whole dash is padded too. That heater is standard, and you have a choice of 4 music options. There's AM/FM radio, 2 AM radios, and a stereo tape unit.
This is our donor roof that we're going to be installing on our 69 RTSE. We've covered all of the things that make this really unique. I do have the other one setting back here that I want to show you a couple of differences that happened in just possibly 1 year. I don't know for sure. I never saw the car this came off of. This may have come off of a 70 Dodge Charger, and 68 the sunroof wasn't available, so it almost has to either be a 69 or a 70. The difference is, if you look back here, all the same, both of these. This module looks identical to that one. It has the same strength pleats put into it, but you'll see only one bracket right here. Up here you see there's no bracket here, although there's evidence there may have been one, disappeared. The most important thing is the difference between these brackets. So here, in this run, you see one bracket. Here, you do not see the forwardmost bracket. Let's take a look at the one back here, and you'll see there are 2 brackets on it. Now on this module, this is the original one that came off of the car. Not one in the middle, but 2 brackets. Why did that happen? Nobody knows. I didn't work at American Sunroof Company. I don't know anybody that did. We know this came off a 69 model car. If that other one came off of a 1970, and this is a 69, it's possible that they realized they don't need both brackets. And that's why in 70, they only put one right here. Or the guy that did it was stoned and had no idea what he was doing, right? It was California, it was late 60s, early 70s, reefer madness. Well, tiny, you know. But back here, the rest of the module looks the same. The best part of this visual right here is you can see all this peppering through here. The holes down here in the trough from all the rust. That's why we needed to put a complete unit on this car. So right now, we are getting ready to install the roof on our 69 Charger. All of the rest of the metal work has been done. All that has to go on after this, after the welding, is the rear body panel. Then that car is ready to go over to the mudroom.